Hey guys, stay tuned to the end of this video
for more cool videos.
Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? I just want to give you guys a glimpse at a gorgeous 2013 GMC Sierra Denali Duramax 2500. Absolutely gorgeous truck. And first off, I want to give a big shout out. Actually, get it back up. Get a good glimpse of this truck. I want people to see how pretty it is. It's not perfect, but it is a gorgeous truck. Got some rock chips, got some all that stuff. We'll get into that in a minute. But first, I want to give a big shout out to Lance and Jared. Big shout out, major props. They bought the 2011 Ram 3500 Cummins last month. Congratulations, guys, and big shout out to you, Lance and Jared, members of the Marine Corps. So my hat's off to you. Thank you guys for your service. You guys are awesome, and everybody else that serves our country, right there, brother. Let's go on the truck. Let's check it out. So this is a 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali, 6.6 liter Duramax. What are we rolling on? Let's go show them all back what we're rolling on so we can see everything all in one shot. We are rolling on a set of 35, 1250, 22-inch TOYO Open Country MT tires. And these are wrapped around a 22 by 10 HELO wheel. Gloss black with machined accents. This truck's from Texas. Truck's directly from Dallas, Texas. Has amp electric step rails with the LED lights incorporated in them. It has the axle dump it's a 5-inch, I want to say, turbo back axle dump. This is a brand new tip, but it's dirty. We ran it through the snow and the mud a couple days ago and haven't had a chance to really get it super clean. Let's look up front at the suspension. Check it out. Up front, we have a McGaughy's lift kit. And she is, you know, I would say the shock. What kind of shocks are they? Actually, I forgot what kind of shocks we're running on today, guys.
Bilstein.
They're Bilsteins?
Yes.
The white ones, you sure?
The back ones are.
Back ones are?
Yeah, back one's a Bilstein.
The backs are Bilsteins. The front are definitely not Bilsteins because they're white. So I think, anyways, we're running on a pretty nasty lift kit. It's trimmed slightly on the front here. When you turn full rub, It doesn't rub at all because it's been trimmed out. The back, you can see where it's been rubbing a tiny bit, not so much though. Truck is very stout. It sits pretty, and it's got some really nice goodies on it. Up front we have some LED headlights with the little lights around them. So looks pretty tough. Smoked out fog lights. We just bought these. These are brand new. Blacked out GMC emblem, and all around the rest of the truck, it's got some goodies. I'll pop the hood and I'll show you what's under the hood. Besides the 6.6 Duramax. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. You see the little Sclade sitting over there? Oh man, she was pretty too. We got that all nice and cleaned up too. Look at that. Oh yeah, Sclade time. All nice and pretty. All right, so let's pop the hood and see what we got here, guys. Mid-section of the truck also too. We got a FASS lift pump. So we got that, and it has factory airbox. As far as the rest of the goodies, doesn't look like there's too much done besides the exhaust, besides the FASS, I think it's a 165 or one something lift pump, which we're on empty right now. We're probably Chapel's not gonna know it's not gonna make it to a gas station to get diesel. But anywho, we're trying hard, and if he doesn't make it, then I'm probably not gonna come get him, and I'm gonna make sure that we I'll come get him. I'm just gonna come get him. The hell with it. We're on empty. We're close to empty. I don't know where I was going with that, but I was trying to say something. Yeah, nothing really major under the hood. The amp research module right here is hooked up to the battery. Obviously, you get your. Hey, also too, a lot of you people right here remove the noise resonator and put the little bushing in there to cap it off. You're supposed to get more turbo sound out of it. They do this for noise pollution and all that stuff to quiet crap down. So my last truck, I took it off and I put the block off plate on it, and it made a little bit of a difference. Not much, but a little bit. So to answer that question, somebody commented, you actually can tell a little bit when you take the noise resonator off. That 6.6, the Duramax, does help a little bit. You can hear a little bit more turbo spool. That's it. Here's the amp electrics, and here's the fast fuel pump. Water separator and fuel filter right here. Amp electric step rails with the LED lights. Classic Texas truck, Flint, Michigan, manufactured in Flint, Michigan. No rust, as you can see in the door jambs or anywhere, because it's why? It's from Texas, but it is a little dirty, I'll admit that. Somebody's been hateful about getting in and out of here. You got the best part about Denali. This is my favorite all around pickup truck. Denali, cream of the crop. Luxury cowboy, whatever you want to call it. It's the cream of the crop, guys. It has everything. It's like the Dodges have theirs too. The Fords have the Platinums and all whatnot, and the King Ranches, but Denali's probably one of my favorite. Cooled seats, heated seats, back seat, remembering seats. And it's doing it itself right now. Folding mirrors, retractable mirrors. Folding mirrors. Denali on the footsteps. How many miles are we on here, guys? Oops, nose crap and his dip can. You guys do dip? Any of you guys do dip? Oh my God, give me that cup. Like throw in the trash can.
Yeah.
People are all here like, man, you drive trucks and you're a country guy or whatever, but you don't do dip? No, I pass out.
I don't think anyone's calling you country.
redneck city boy, whatever you want to call me, I'm fine with that, I don't care. 144,583 miles, guys. Oh my God, look what it says. Low fuel. Low fuel. You think? You think? It's very low fuel. And also, you should never, ever run a diesel truck with a lift pump unless you have a sump pump close to a quarter of a tank. Because once you get past that point of no return, you're not starting that sucker up, guys. Prime it 6 or 7 times and go for it. But this one's on dead empty. We should probably be ending this video soon to go get a can of gas. Navigation, backup camera, sunroof. The beautiful, amazing Denali wood grain with the heated steering wheel, the horn, the bolts on the license plate. Yeah. Four-wheel drive works great. Electric trailer brake control. The beautiful wood grain dash. And it's got a small little crack right here, guys, in the dash, which is super common for them. They really are. They're super, super common. Bose sound system. Check out the back and show you what we're working with back here. WeatherTech floor mat out back, and that's pretty much about it. It's a small little rip in the passenger rear seat on the back side, well, that big or whatever, from somebody very heavy with a knife in their back shoulder blade that stabbed into the seat, and parade of elephants come marching by. Let's look at the back of the bed right here. Line-X spray-in bed liner, whatever the hell this is. I don't know what that is. It's Gotex something. Back bumper's color match because it's a Denali. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So, Amber Electric's license plate, a few scratches here and there. Hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out, and let's just get another glimpse of this gorgeous truck from back here. It's not perfect, like I was saying, but let's just really take a good glimpse at it. It shines nice, and as you can tell from the video, she sounds damn good. And once again, a big shout out to Lance and Jared. Guys, it was awesome meeting you. And anybody else, please give me a shout, heads up. If you guys want your trucks featured and stuff like that in our videos, Noah and I, you can email us at mark.superiorw@gmail.com. Email me 2 or 3 videos, a picture. I'll put together a skit and throw it in my channel. Feature you guys. So hope you like the truck. This is Mark signing out. We gotta go get fuel. See ya. Bye.